Let's have a look at the invoice and payment processing. Basically, I'm here in a finance view seeing at the moment a number of different invoices that have come in. I can filter them, I can look at the details, like how did the matching of this invoice look? Has there been a formal check that really worked? There's no exclamation marks on this one, that's looking pretty good. I can check out the matching and I'm seeing that all the lines are matching fine. Let's go back to the invoice. So this one was handled by bank transfer. And let's now look at another case. So there is an undetected invoice, which at the moment couldn't be matched to anything. And there's tons of explanation marks because there's formal checks not fulfilled according to the German law, what should be matching on such an invoice. We're just having a quick look at this invoice to have a preview how it's really looking. And indeed, this one doesn't even match on the supplier. Talking about payment methods. So here there's over 200 payment methods that we can configure. On this instance, we've got Stripe, PayPal, Braintree, PayFuture, Checkout, Connect Pay, Bank Transfer, Wise, Ident, Apple Pay, Square. So let's pay with WorldPay, quite common option. And basically, once we're having all the mandatory fields filled, the payment can be triggered. And there's also scheduling options that basically it's automatically going out on the last day. And like this, we're having here a situation which is to be processed in a correct way. You can configure the payment method actually by a supplier. And if you're a multi-tenant company with several legal units, you can have a separate payment method by buying organization, that would be the SEP term, and also by legal unit. So it can be configured exactly like in the ERP and also have this kind of validation workflows as being the master, equipping the ERP or vice versa. Just the finance team being allowed in the ERP to manage the payment methods, or as in the present case, I'm allowed to actually modify the payment method, selecting one of the options available to this specific supplier.